Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your planning briefing for Sunday, December 15th. Looking at the weather threat matrix, two periods really stand out to us. A light to moderate, fairly widespread snow event Monday morning lasting into Tuesday morning, especially impacting north central Idaho, northwest and west central Montana. And then another period that we're watching for potential of a wintry mix being Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, especially focused over northwest Montana. Looking at the general temperature outlook, pick your favorite location and you'll notice not a whole lot of change the next several days. Once we get later in the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we do see temperatures going upward. It really depends on how the ridge unfolds. Some of the valleys could really mix out and be all the way into the 50s during this latter week period, and other valleys could stay locked in inversions and stay in the 30s. So fair amount of uncertainty on how those temperatures unfold late week. Snow levels, we have snow levels all the way down to basically all valley floors on Monday morning, including across north central Idaho, Orofino area. And then things bump up to about 3,000 feet late Monday through Tuesday evening. So those west central Montana valleys would still be in the mix. And then rising on Wednesday to more like 5,000 feet. You can check out some of these expected snow totals for any particular location you're interested in. Here's the progression as one model shows it of the snowfall on Monday morning. Generally, any of the reflectivities that are green and into a light green into darker green would be where snow would be falling or beginning to start. So could see the early morning, some light snowfall, Orofino, Camas Prairie, and then shifting northeastward across the area. So looking at the 24-hour period for Monday morning through Tuesday morning, here's the mean forecast anywhere in west central Montana for the valleys, a trace all the way up to 2 to 3 inches for northwest Montana. You can see once again the passes anywhere from say 3 to 6 inches for most of the passes. Once again, keep in mind Camas Prairie, Orofino area may see a light inch or less type snow that could be certainly impactful to roads on Monday morning. If we want to kind of stretch this out, here's the 90% probability of at least this much on the left-hand side and the 10% probability for at least this much. So kind of those lesser possibilities on the right-hand side, but certainly you can see some higher amounts, 3 to 5 inches for northwest Montana on the less likely side, but certainly something to keep in mind. That Tuesday evening through Wednesday time period, you can see the same idea here, kind of the lower end amounts on the left, the higher end amounts on the right, and there's quite a spread, as you'll notice. So that's a period that we're going to have to keep tuning in a little bit. One thing that does stand out, a risk of some freezing rain, perhaps, especially northwest Montana valleys. That would be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So we'll keep a watch on that one and get more information out as it becomes available. Like we mentioned, late week, brief ridging Thursday, Friday. It could be a bit of a dirty ridge in the sense that we still have moisture riding over it, so we could still see some mixed precipitation, especially along the Canadian border. And then back to weather systems from the west impacting us this coming weekend into the next week. So a wintry mix once again. Just looking at this, you can see that trend toward above normal precipitation in that 20th through 24th period of December and above normal temperatures. Next briefing is scheduled for Thursday, December 19th. Thank you for listening.